When it comes to your health, keeping track of your blood pressure is an important part of knowing where you stand. Now you can get accurate, fast and reliable results wherever you are with the Dr. Trust A1 Galaxy Digital Blood Pressure Monitor with MDI. Clear and easy to use, the Dr. Trust A1 Galaxy Monitor is EU certified and FDA approved, boasting fully automatic blood pressure monitoring. This device comes with our unique MDI technology, or measurement during inflation, which, with a gentle pumping action, records your blood pressure faster and more accurately. The cuff does not inflate as much as the standard blood pressure monitor and creates less pressure on the arm. This means less pain and greater comfort for all users. To get started, insert the included AA batteries. Alternatively, you can use a micro USB cable which comes with your standard Android smartphone to power the device with any USB compatible power source and save the money and bother of buying batteries repeatedly. You can record data for 2 different users at set times and dates by accessing the menu. Press and hold the time button for 3 seconds, using the memory button to choose user 1 or 2. Press time again to enter the year, date, and time of day, pressing the memory button to adjust the settings, and the time button to set your choice. Sit upright with your feet flat on the floor. Attach the pump cable to the unit and open the cuff, placing it on your left upper arm, around 2 centimeters from the bend of your elbow. Secure the cuff in place with a snug fit and lay your left arm palm up. Support the arm if required with a cushion so that the cuff rests at about the same height as the heart. Take care that the cuff lies free. Remain so for 2 minutes sitting quietly before beginning with the measurement. Let your legs be uncrossed, feet flat on the floor, and your back and arms supported. Turn the device on. The cuff will begin to inflate, determining the optimum inflation levels for obtaining a perfect reading. On the digital display, you'll see the pressure value as the cuff inflates, followed by your systolic and diastolic reading during deflation, and a flashing heart rate monitor at the bottom. When a reading has been taken, your results will be displayed. The unique WHO marker on the left of the screen indicates whether your results are optimal, need consultation, or need urgent assistance. You can refer to the handbook at any time for further details on your blood pressure results and the WHO diagram. The device will store 120 past readings for 2 users, and you can recall your results at any time by pressing the memory button. This unit also features an abnormal heart rhythm detector. If an abnormal rhythm is detected, a heartbeat icon will show. Regular displays of this icon should be checked thoroughly by your doctor. Stay on top of your health quickly, reliably and easily wherever you are with the Dr. Trust A1 Galaxy Digital Blood Pressure Monitor with MDI.
Dr. Trust. Trusted for life.